अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आपको अपने सवाल जब चैनल में खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। दोस्तों, हमारा आज का मौजू इम्पॉर्टेंट इस्लामिक क्वेश्चन MCQs हैं। तो ये आज का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है, इसलिए वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो उसको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें। तो आगे चलते हैं आज के इस मुफीद वीडियो की जानिब। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। हाउ कलेक्टेड कुरानिक वर्सेस इन प्लेस। हज़रत उमर रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु, हज़रत अब्दुल्लाह बिन अब्बास रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु, हज़रत अब्दुल्लाह बिन मसूद रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु, हज़रत उस्मान रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु। Correct answer is Hazrat Usman रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु. Twice Caliphate lasted for about years, 18 years, 20 years, 30 years, or 5 years. The correct answer is C, 30 years. How many stages the Quran contains? 5, 6, 7 or 8. Correct answer is 7. Who is called Saki Zamzam? Hazrat Abbas Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Muawiyah Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is A, Hazrat Abbas Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Namaz-e-Istisqa is prayer for blessing of God, pardon, rain or sleep. So Namaz-e-Istisqa is prayed for rain. Correct answer is rain. What was the name of foster sister of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? Hazrat Salma Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Ruqayya Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Mauriya Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Shima Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is D, Hazrat Shima Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Imam Shafi took the office of religious judgment in the age of 13 years, 14 years, 20 years, or 15 years. Correct answer is 15 years. Who was the first writer of Wahi in Quraysh? Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Ibn Masud Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The correct answer is Hazrat Ibn Masud Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Qutbul Asar is complied by Imam Abu Hanifa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Imam Shafi Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Imam Malik Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Imam Hanbal Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The correct answer is Imam Malik Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Takes out soul of life-bearing creatures. Jibreel alayhi salam, Mikail alayhi salam, Israfil alayhi salam, Israel alayhi salam. The correct answer is Israel alayhi salam. One pair of books is not among the Sahih Satra. Shah Bukhari, Shah Muslim, Shah Bukhari Sunan Tirmizi, Shah Bukhari Shimal Tirmizi, Shah Bukhari Sunan Abi Majah. The correct answer is Shah Bukhari Shimal Tirmizi, C. Who was the first martyr of in Islam? Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Yasir Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, or Hazrat Saima Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The correct answer is Hazrat Saimiyah Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Who first embraced Islam among women? Hazrat Fatima Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Zainab Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. The correct answer is C, Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Qurbani or holy slaughtering is made during Hajj Eid. Arafat, Mina, Mazdalfa or Safa. The correct answer is Mina. Gathering on Arafat during Hajj is made on 9th Zulhijjah, 18 Ramzan, 19 Safar, 20 Sahiba. The correct answer is E, 9 Zulhijjah. Jame Quran is taken for Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Saad Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Masood Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The original name of Imam Bukhari is Sayyid bin Hatim, Ali Zaid, Ismail, Muhammad bin Ismail. The correct answer is Muhammad bin Ismail. A verse of the Holy Quran indicates the name of Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Muaz, Hazrat Saad or Hazrat Zaid. So the correct answer is Hazrat Zaid. A male is kafan wrapped in dressed sheets. 2 sheets, 3 sheets, 5 sheets or 4 sheets. So the correct answer is 3 sheets. Jihad became mandatory in 1st Hijri, 2nd Hijri, 3rd Hijri or 4th Hijri. Correct answer is B, 2 Hijri. Namaz Khasuf is offered at the time of lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, earthquake or heavy rain. The correct answer is lunar eclipse. Which surah starts without Bismillah? Al-Baqarah, Al-Nasa, Al-Tawbah, Al-Ikhlas. The correct answer is C, Al-Tawbah. Amount of zakat cannot be used in which of the following? Madrasa, mosque, hospital. The correct answer is mosque. What is Sahih? Mashkat, Bukhari and Muslims, Ibn Majah. The correct answer is Bukhari and Muslims. Which one is called Masharul Haram? Minna Valley, Mazdalfa Valley or Far? Correct answer is Mazdalfa Valley. Next, what is Islam? Salam to Kaaba, Salam to Hijri Iswat, kissing Hijri Iswat, praying at Maqam Ibrahim. Correct answer is kissing Hijri Iswat. The nisab of zakat in gold is 18 dollars, 24 dollars, 7.5 dollars, 35 dollars. The correct answer is C, 7.5 dollars. Muslim female is kafaned in 8 sheets, 5 sheets, 1 sheet or 10 sheets. The correct answer is 5 sheets. How many surah the Quran contains? 112, 113, 114, 115. The correct answer is 114. Makkah was conquered in 5th Hijri, 10th Hijri, 2 Hijri or 8 Hijri. Correct answer is 8 Hijri. तो नाज़रीन इसी के साथ हमारा जो मुनफरिद वीडियो अपने अख्ताम को पहुंचा। अगर आपको इस तरह की मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ पसंद हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम।